I'm an older guy, and if I can do it, anybody can do it. I've always been very handy with working on RVs and houses and things of that nature, so I wanted to become a little more professional at it. My name's Eric Hatfield. I'm from Greenwood, Indiana. I have wanted to come to this class for several years. I did the fundamental class, and it lasted for a week. I learned the basics of all the RV. Todd, I had seen Todd on many videos. He was right there. You think, well, he's probably not in the picture, but he is hands-on front and center. And for the past 2 weeks, I've taken the inspector's classes, and I'm a certified inspector now. Brian, very good instructor, very knowledgeable. I would highly recommend the inspector's course to anyone who's wanting to do that. I came into it with an open mind, and it was exactly what I was hoping it would be.